Welcome to QuoteUp Tutorials. In this video, we will look at how to add a price request to your quote. Let's begin. Once you have received pricing from a contractor, you will receive a phone notification which will send you to alerts. In alerts, you can select the pricing you wish to review. This will take you to the price request page. Select the Request tab where you will find your contractor's pricing. Select each tab for more information, including the grand total, deposit required, and additional comments from the contractor. You will now be able to add pricing from the contractor to your quote by tapping Add to Quote. This will show a confirmation page allowing you to apply a service markup. By selecting Confirm, you are adding your contractor's price to your quote. Your contractor is not notified at this point. You can also decline the quote by selecting Decline Quote. This will show you a confirmation page allowing you to enter a reason for declining. The reasons in the drop-down menu are Ask for variation. This will notify your contractor that their pricing has been declined. However, it will offer them an opportunity to resubmit pricing. Decline and End Quote. This will notify your contractor that their pricing has been declined. Now that you have added the contractor pricing, you can move to the Totals page, where you can send your quote to your client. Alternatively, you can select the menu at the top of the screen and select View Quote Details. This will take you through the whole quote and allow you to make changes to the quote, including adding your own pricing. Once you are happy with the quote, you can send it to your client. For further help, please contact our customer support team and remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular handy hints.